All right, y'all, this is a homework question out of 3.3. This is problem number 2. And it says, rewrite the polynomial in fully factored form, given that one of the factors is w minus 2. Okay, so let me give you a heads up, y'all. This is what we're going to do. Our final answer, we're going to have 3 factors, okay? Look, y'all, they already told us one of them is w minus 2. The way we're going to do this, y'all, we're going to look at our polynomial. We're going to go 5, negative 9, minus 6, and positive 8. Y'all, just one more thing real quick. I should have said this earlier. The reason we were going to have 3 sets of parentheses is because we got a 5w to the power 3, okay? Now, when this number here is a minus 2, y'all, we're going to put a plus 2. So look, first step, drop down to 5. We multiply, that's 10. We add straight down, that's 1. 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to add straight down, that should be a minus 4, and this is a negative 8, and of course we should get 0 there, right? Okay, now let's think about what this means, okay? I'm going to go to my next slide where I got some room. That's going to be 5w squared plus 1w minus 4. Now what I want to try to do here, y'all, I want to see if we can factor this guy out. So look, we want to get 5w squared, so why don't we put 5w here, and w right there, okay? Now, in the second spots, y'all, I'm looking for numbers that multiply to 4. Now, there's a couple of numbers that multiply to 4. We can go 1 and 4, 4 and 1, we can go 2 and 2, okay? So look, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna try putting a 1 here and a 4 here. Now, we already know that that's gonna give us the 5w squared, and we already know that's gonna give us the 4. We wanna make sure that we're gonna get a positive 1. So look, 5 times 4, y'all, that's a 20w. 1 times w, that's a 1w. I'm not going to get a 1 out of that. Okay, so what is that telling me? That those numbers are not going to work, at least in that order. Let's try putting the 4 here and the 1 here. 5 times w, 5w. 4 times w, 4w. Can I get a 1 out of there? Yes, if I subtract. Let's make that a minus and that a plus, okay? Now, what I'm going to do now, y'all, I'm going to get this guy, and I'm going to bring it back on my other slide. So 5w minus 4, w plus 1. 5w minus 4, and w plus 1. And we are done, y'all. Okay, hope that helps. You got questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help y'all.